So Xpath level, we have seen most of the topics. So today we are going to continue with the same. So today first we are going to see with the siblings. So we have seen for the position, all those stuffs. So today we are going to start on with the siblings property here. How to work on that. Okay, good. So now, before going to that, I just want your help. So here we have the table property. For the table, what is the relationship of T body? I want to ask some things, you guys. Harry, can you help me? So for the table, T body is what relationship?
That's a child relationship.
Correct. How many childs T body has?
It's only one. T body has two.
Two T here. So this is the first one. This is the second one. So here, if you see, this is the first child, and then this is the second child. Okay, that means the relationship between these two TR tags are called as siblings.
Siblings.
Okay, that is E is the elder, E is the younger. Okay, cool. Yeah. Good. Thank you. So next, hi, Prajna, can you tell me? So for this table tag, who is this input tag?
It's grandchild.
Grandchild, correct. The same thing for the input. The table is the
grandparent.
Grandparent. Super. Good. Thank you. So now tell me, hi Shalija, can you tell me? So from the table tag, I want to come to the T-body tag. What is the expression?
Yeah, slash table.
Super.
Yeah, slash T-body.
/ T-body.
Yeah, T-body. Yeah.
That's it. Super. Good. Now, can you tell me, for this table tag, I want to use the property class is equal to text fields table. How I can use?
/ table of square bracket at class equal to text fields table. Yeah.
Then / table.
Yeah, table.
That's it. So, good. Thanks, Yosha. So now, hi, Robert. Robert, can you tell me? So from this table tag, I want to come to this input tag directly. Can you tell me how I can use that? From this table, I want to come to the input tag. Okay, cool. Hey, hi, Ari. Can you tell me how to come from this table tag to the input tag directly?
Yeah, let me try. / table.
Yes.
/ T body.
No, directly I want to come. From the table tag, directly I want to come to the input tag.
Okay, so maybe I forgot.
Square bracket at input directly.
No. That is from the grandparent directly come to the grandchild. So two ways. One is directly / input. Okay, that means getting approximate child. Got it? The same thing another way, / table / descendant. That is go and find the approximate child input. But now how many outputs will be there means? Two. This input and this input. If I want to get only this input tag, what is that I need to do?
Input of 1.
Input of 1 will not work because for this TD tag, how many childs are there?
Okay, it's only 1.
Only 1. For this input TD tag also only 1 child. So TD of input of 1 means this also input of 1, this also input of 1.
So then you need to have @.
Correct.
Yeah,
yes, I need to use the property. Good man.
Property, yes.
Super. So this is how to get the approximate child. So now we saw from the parent to get the immediate child, from the parent to get the approximate child. Correct? The same thing. Guys, I'm just giving a recap. So we have already done this one, but anyway, it's okay. Only once we will just see this one, so that will be easy for you, that you guys be on the concepts. That's why. Okay. If you guys feel that actually what I'm taking more, let me know. Okay. Good. So now we have seen getting immediate child and then approximate child. Now parent. So from the T body tag, I want to go to the table tag. Can anyone tell me get the immediate parent for the T body? How to get the immediate parent? Can anyone wanna try? So for the T body, how to go to the table tag? Hey, hi Shailaja, you like to try?
Yeah, I think / T body ascendant.
No, no.
Forget it.
Cool. Okay. So it's T body. Okay. So for the T body, I want to get the parent. Okay. For the T body, if I want to go for the child, so TR is the child, right? So /TR. Okay. But I want to get the parent of T body, means go before the T body, give table, then in square brace, we have to give. That means get the immediate parent. Got it?
Yeah.
Same thing. For the input child, get the approximate parent table. So how to go there means /input. So this matches with multiple. Okay. If I want to get actually what perfectly one information. Okay. One more thing. If I give, we'll come here. Table is there. So if I want to give any property for the table, before that, give the square brace @ class is equal to text fields table. Got it? This is how I can give. So here for the input child, get the approximate parent. So that means we have to give /ancestor ::, then give the tag name table. Got it? So for the input tag, we are going to the table ancestor table. That's what we are doing. If I want, I can still give the property information. This one I can give here. Understood, guys? How to go to the immediate parent, how to go to the approximate parent. So ancestor, we are using it for getting the approximate parent. Got it? The same thing now siblings. Okay, so there are two types of siblings. Okay, so there are two types of siblings. One is preceding sibling. One is preceding sibling. Another one is following sibling. These are the two ways. Got it? So how to work on with this preceding and following sibling is what we are going to see. Okay, so if I come to this TR tag, who is this actually what sibling here? It's a younger sibling. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so the T body has two childs, TR and TR. The relationship between these two childs are actually what? So for this first TR, he is the younger sibling. That is, following sibling is what? Younger. Okay, preceding sibling is elder. So for this TR tag, he is the elder. Okay, so preceding sibling means points to elder brother. This one points to younger brother. Okay, points to elder brother, preceding means, following means, points to younger brother. So how to use this? That's what we're going to see. Okay, so now from the table tag, I'll come to the T body, then we'll go to the tier. See here, / table / T body, then /tr. So I will get two outputs. If I give tr of 1, I will get one output. This is this one. So based on this first tr, I need to go to the child. That means what I can give / following hyphen sibling ::, tr. So we will write both the things so that you will come to know what is the difference. This is the first one. Okay, so the first one, what is the output? The second one, what is the output? So for the first one, this will be my output. This is the output for the first year. This one. Got it? This is the first TR. This is the second TR. Understood, guys? This is the first TR. This is for second TR for them. Following sibling represents the child. Okay. Still, we will do some other options. See right now. Another way. So from the input tag, I'm come to this TD tag. So how we will do? / input @name equal to pwd. So now it points to this input tag. So now if I give td, now what will happen? It matches this. Oh, sorry, following sibling we are doing, right? Sorry, my mistake. So this is the td. Okay, so td sorry, it's a text is equal to username. So this matches with actually what? This TD tag. So for this TD tag, if I want to go to this following sibling, I need to directly give / following hyphen sibling : TD. Got it? So from here it goes to this TD. So I'll take directly the input name equal username from here. This points of this. The same thing from this TD. Okay, I came to this following sibling. So from this TD, I'll come to this TR, then I will get this guy. So how to do? Got it? From this TD tag, I'm going to go to this TR. From this TR tag, I'm going to get this following sibling. Okay, how to do that? So / TD text function is equal to username. So for this, go to this parent. So that is tr. So from this td tag, I came to the parent. Now go to this child. So slash following hyphen sibling colon tr. Got it? That matches with this guy. That's it. Understood? Any questions? Everyone understood the following sibling? Everyone understood the following sibling, guys? Any questions for anyone? Can everyone just ping me in the group as yes if you have understood? So Shailaja understood. Others, guys? Hari, Robert, others? Okay, cool. So now the same thing replace for actually what the preceding. Okay, so following means what? Getting the younger. Okay, so from this td tag I came to this td tag. Okay, the same thing preceding means actually what? Pointing out to the elder. So how to do that? So let me take this again. Good. Okay. So now we came here. So now what we are doing? So we have to get the preceding sibling. Preceding sibling means actually what? Getting the elder brother. Okay, getting the elder brother is what? For preceding sibling. So how to do that? We will see. So now from this tr tag, I need to go to the tr. So for that simple concept, so from the input, I'll go to the td. Okay, I'll go for this one first. From the input tag, I'll go to the td. Then from the td tag, I'll go to the elder brother. Okay, so double forward slash input @ name equal to pwd. From this input tag, I need to go to the td tag. That means before the input, td, close it. I came to this td. From the td tag, I need to go to this td. How I can go? Slash preceding hyphen sibling colon td. Okay. So now the thing is, from this input tag, I came to this td. From this td tag, I came to this td. If I want, I can still use text is equal to password. That also I can use. This points out to what? This td will be the. Got it? So same thing from this td tag, I will go to this tr and then I will get this tr. So double forward slash td text function is equal to password. From there, go to the tr. From the td, I'll go to the tr. From there, I'll go to this tr tag. So slash preceding hyphen sibling colon tr. That's it. Got it? This matches with this. Got it, guys? Everyone clear? Good. Okay, so this is what we have seen about actually what the preceding sibling. So I'll go here. So we know how to work on with immediate parent, immediate child, how to match an element. Actually, what we have to see, we will see today. To refer an attribute, at the rate symbol. To refer a text contains, we have seen. That is approximate actually what find with actually what a text or an attribute equal to perfect match. Not contains, we have seen. So last we have to see, that we will see. Okay. Then greater than, less than, on the position we have seen. Okay, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all those things we have seen in the position. Next, preceding sibling also we have seen right now. Following sibling we have seen. Descendant we have seen. Ancestor we have seen. Count we will see today. Position also we have seen. And then using multiple attributes. Okay, so that one we will see today. Got it? Any questions for anyone on this? Good. Okay, so next we will go with actually what? The finding with multiple attributes. Okay, so simple. How to use multiple attributes? Here I will go. Sorry. So inspect. Go here. See here, input at the rate, sorry, type is equal to text, name equal to username. So now what I will do, Control F. Now I'll write // input. Okay, so here I will come. The type is what? Text. At the rate type is equal to text. But it's matching to. I want to use the another attribute. So because if I use these two attributes, I can get perfectly one match. Okay. If I use any one attribute, that time I'm not able to get, means I can use multiple attribute information. So here, if I use A and B at the rate name equal to username, when I give like this, okay, at the rate type equal to text, at the rate name equal to username. So for that, what we'll do, we can use and attribute. That means the input tag should have a type called text and then a name called username. It should match with both. And means actually what, see, it's perfectly one match. Or means it matches with multiple. Got it? The same thing in case if I give instead of the type class is equal to text field. When I give, it's perfectly one match. Okay. When I give or, it matches with 5. Got it? That means or condition means it matches with multiple. That is, any one matches means also give me the output. And means perfectly it should match. That's the main thing. Understood, guys? This is for and or. Okay, and means It's actually what? Perfect match, or both should match. Both the components should match. Or means any one component matches also, give me the output. That's the thing. Okay, good. Okay, so this is about and or, working on with multiple attributes. Okay, so now we'll have a short break. Okay, so for 5 minutes, then after that we'll see about the other steps. Okay, the other steps we will see. Okay, thank you. We'll have a short break for 5 minutes. 8:20 we will again connect. 8:20. Hello. Hey guys. So we'll continue the session. So now we have seen actually what how to work on with actually the XPath with following sibling, preceding sibling, and then using multiple properties. Okay. So next. So here, how to use actually what the contains also we know star. So now if I come here, so simple. Instead of input, if I give star, then also it will work. That is, instead of referring an attribute, I can also, if I give star means it refers any attribute name. Okay, it refers any attribute name. That is what star represents. Star represents for referring any attribute. That is the thing. Got it? So that's the main thing. Star represents to refer any attribute. Okay, that's it. The same thing. Next, when we come to the count, okay, how to use count. Okay, before going to count, we will see last and last minus one. Okay, so last and last minus one. So if I come here, instead of taking this, I will go here, admin manager. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 modules are there. Got it? 7 modules are there. I will inspect this. So if I come here, TD tag. Okay. So here it has. So 1, 2, 3. Can you see nav item relative? So that class has the informations of the time track, tasks, reports, users, and then work schedule like that. So that is, if you see here, I'll come via this table @ class equal to nav table. So /table @ class equal to nav table. So one match. So for that, if I give /td, how many is there? 53 is there. Okay. So now if I give the td cells, which has a class called nav item relative, see, @ class is equal to nav item relative. Now can you see totally 7 is there? 1, 2, I'll go here. See, this is the first one, this is the second one, third one, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? Based on the attribute level, year matching, totally 7 is there. Okay. See now, in case the AND operation you can see, an OR operation you can see. So there is another one actually, what separator is there. Got it? So see OR operation, how it works here. So totally 7. If I give OR @ class equal to separator, if I give 17 matches are there. That is OR condition, it matches with actually what the TD tag, which matches with the cell class called separator, or matches with a class called nav item relative. With both the things, it matches. Got it? It matches with both the information there. That's what it's happening here. Okay, so now I'll take only nav item relative. Okay, so now we are seeing actually what how to use the attributes based on this. So now if I give here totally only TD, 53 matches are there. Got it? So here if you see TD of 1 matches with that, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that, lot of things are there here for me. So now what is that I'm going to do? Means there are totally 53. Get me actually what the last one. So now it's 53. Tomorrow it might be actually what 60 or 40 or whatever it might be. Okay, so if I want the last over there, so first one I can always get like this of 1. But the last one, I'm not sure whether the count will be actually about 50 or 53 or 60 like that. So the best way is to get last. Got it? Last and then a function. I need to give it parenthesis as a function. So now can you see it went on with this TD of last. Okay, so it's giving me totally 8 matches. So what is that 8 matches over that means? Okay, so from the table tag I came to this TD tag. So for this section the TD is actually what? This is the last element. Got it? The same thing when I come over here. Sorry. After this, if I'll go here, for this place, this is the last TD. Got it? So for this place, this is the last TD. Okay, so for this place, this is the last TD. Then again, if I go here, for this place, this is the last TD. Okay, like that, everywhere it goes and identifies the last TD. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with this. Okay, now item related. Okay, go with the property information. So totally what? 7 matches. In this, if I give last, can you see? This is the last TD for me from that. That is which has nav item relative. Can you see? This is the last one. Year before that we have things. If I want to go the last but not before that, -1. Last -1. -2 goes to that. If I don't give anything, comes to the last. Got it? The last one is used to identify the last information. Okay, because when we are not sure actually how many informations are there, it's always better to go with this. Understood, guys? How to use last? So based on the property also, I can use the last. Otherwise, directly actually what? Give the tag name and then find the last. However we want, we can get them. Okay, so that is about the last and last -1. Okay, so next thing, here we will go for actually what? The count. What is this count here? So when I give here 1 of 7 is coming, that means what? Totally 7 matches in that the first element is what's showing here. Okay, so when I come to this console, $X, then open the parenthesis, in double quotes I will give the same information. This is another way actually to identify the element using an XPath. Okay, so totally 7 is showing over here. If I open this, the first TD, second TD output, third, like that is showing. So that means the element is the output here. Okay, the same thing if I give here before this. Okay, $X here. So here I will give count of and then close it here. When I click on enter, see now my output is what means 7. That means an integer value 7. That is how many the before actually what totally 7 matches were there. That element information is what's showing here. Now the thing is it's giving me the integer value 7. Got it? Understood, guys? Any questions for anyone on this? You guys understood how to identify the output? So count means gives the integer value. Count means gives the integer value. Any questions for anyone on this? Okay. So this is about the XPath here we have worked on with. Okay. So now we will try to identify some informations. So I'll go to the flip card. I'll go here, sports and books, and then I'll go for books is here. I'll go for Indian languages. Okay, I'll go for something. Okay, young readers, classics. Okay, so here now I have different things over here. Okay, so a lot of books are there. In that, always I want to go and click on the second book here. Okay, always I need to go and click on the second book. So that is Bhagavad Krishna Avatar is there, right? I want to click on this. I will forward this to you. I want everyone go and then go to this URL. Help me to identify the second book link. That is, I want to get the element property here. That means real-time situation. I want to click on the second book. How to do this? One option by name. See, by the text attribute you can get. Another one option actually what by based on the second book. So here it might be Bhagavad Krishna Avatar. Tomorrow it might be some other book name. So always find with help of the second book information. Based on that, get me the things. So like that, I want you to identify it. Okay. So go there and then get it. Okay. Cool miss. So I'll give a 5 minutes break. Try to identify in two ways. One with help of the text, another one with help of the count. Based on second book, get me the information. Okay. So A is the information, the element that I need over there. Okay. So for that, identify. Good. Okay. A 5 minutes break. Then again we'll continue. Hello. Hey guys. No one did. Just actually with help of the name, text also no one were able to do. Anyone tried at least little bit? Okay, good. Okay, so now this is a tag which matches with this. This is a text here. So if I want to go for this, // a text function is equal to Bhagavad Gita avatar. So perfectly one match. Okay, this also you guys are not able to get it. Okay, yes, you guys can hear me. Can you just ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you're able to hear me.
Yeah, we are able to hear.
Okay, cool. Okay, so now how to identify, that is, I told based on the second book I want to identify here. Okay, how to do that? That is what we are going to do. So here, if I come, so this is my second book. Okay, so this is my second book. So what I need to do first, I need to identify the information, that is actually what these element information here. Okay, so I found the element. So the for this, who is the parent? Okay, see here, he is the parent of it, and then for this guy, this is the parent. Okay, and then this is the first section. Okay, can you see one, two, multiple sections are there. So this is the first div holding the information of the first four books. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then this is the div which is here. So then this is the div, then here this is the div. Got it? So these are the divs holding each and everything one by one sections. So this is the common parent. Okay, so from here only actually what we need to get them. But does they have any proper information? Can you see 1 HM YOB 3HD? So these things at all will change frequently. We cannot take these as a property information because these things will change frequently for me. We have to come with actually what some other information. So how, we will see. So this also I cannot take anything because same thing BJX. So here before that we have one more div. The only thing is it has a style extra background. So here it does not have that. So from any one of the div, I will try to take some informations. So div data ID, and then here div data kind, a class, href is there. Here title. Okay, so this informations I will take it. So coming from the a tag to the parent. Okay, so with that, let us try to come over there. We will see what's happening. // a, and then title tag. So 60 is there. So 60 matches are there for me. So it also matches with some other thing because it matches with a lot of information which is present there. A tags which matches there. Title Little Woman. The target is blank for this. Who is the preceding sibling? Okay, so let me take this guy also so that it will be easy. Preceding hyphen sibling colon a. So now perfectly 40 matches which are all matching my informations. Okay, so another one here, rel no opener and then no referrer is there. So we'll check whether that also matches. Yes, everywhere it is there. So let me try to take that. Will that be a good one to take? We'll see. Okay, 125. No, this is not perfect. So the before one was perfect. At the rate title, preceding sibling, ::. So totally 40 books are there. Okay, so for this, I need to go to the parent. So this div, this div. Okay, so this is the div which is holding the entire information. Okay, so how to go for this? It's like actually what I need to go one by one. So first I'll go to this / ancestor : div @data -id. I have taken one attribute here. Hello. Hey guys, sorry, it got disconnected. When it got disconnected, guys, just now or it disconnected now or before itself? Hey guys, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me now? Okay, I'll come from the beginning. Okay, so what we did means based on actually what the A tag, which has actually what
Your
that.
voice is breaking.
Okay, is it fine now?
And now,
It's fine now.
yeah.
Good. Okay, so what we did, so we took actually what an A tag, so which has actually what the tag name as title, and then for that we found a preceding sibling : A. Okay, so that means here is the A tag which has this title. Okay, so from there we came here to the preceding sibling A. Okay, so that as actually what also actually what the relevant opener, all those things. So before that, do we have any other things? Okay, the div as data ticket, and then here data id. Let me check whether this is a perfect one to take. Data id, data tk id. So the A tag which has a title, then for okay, I'm coming from here so that it will be easy for me again to say. A tag which has @title. So for that we are giving preceding sibling : div. This not match. Okay. I'll come again. Not two. So for this guy, this is what we're coming. So this guy has actually what div @data kid here. Before this, actually what the ancestor, it has actually what no opener, no referrer. I'm just searching anything a good one to take. That's what I'm doing. Okay, nothing is there here. Do we have anything else? Okay, so title following sibling, I'll try to take with this. Whether with that does it match anything? Double / following sibling colon A. Okay, 40 matches are there. Okay, so now this matches me perfectly, that all the information which is present there. Okay, so that's the thing. So then on the top, when I come over here, a div which has data kid is there, data t kid, data id, data id. I'll try to take with this whether this matches slash ancestor colon div 106 is there. So here I'm going to say which has data id. So 40 matches. Yes, it matches here. Got it? First, second, third, fourth. Okay, so 40 matches. So for that, this is the first div over here. Okay, so from there, if I go here, this one. So this is my information. So here I'm going to go from there to the previous div, then there to the previous div. Totally 10 matches are there. So what are the 10 matches? If you see, can you see here? This is the first div, second div, third, fourth, like that it goes on. Okay, so my intention is what? To click on the second book. Okay, so now we came actually to the top level, getting that first 10 sections. See, 1, 2, the third one is this, the third one. So the first one is what? Mine. In that I want to go. So here I can give directly of 1. Okay, of 10. So here, this is what my information. So I need to take this one. So on the top, I will give, open the parenthesis, close it here. Out of 10 matches, get me the first match. Okay, not via actually what the child or something. That is out of 10, get me the first match over there. That's what I'm doing. Got it? We have got this one. Understood, guys? Everyone clear on this part? Anyone has any questions on this part?
Yeah, can you explain again like this?
Sure.
So, following sibling.
Yes, I'll do this. So I will take a notepad and put this one first. Okay. So first thing, what we are doing means I will go to this element information. So this is the title. So for this title here, so we have actually what? A following sibling in another A tag. Okay, see here, /A @ title. Again, it matches 602. All the links which are, this is also link. All the links it's matching. But for me, I need to match this one. So here when I come, this is the A tag. So for this, there is another actually what? Younger brother. Can you see? For this A, div A, all these things are actually what? Younger brothers. Okay, that means following sibling. So I'm giving slash following -sibling ::A. See, now what's happening? It matches totally 40. So that is 40 books are there, 40 matches here. Out of 602, now we came to 40. Got it? So from here, I need to actually what? Identify the top level parent. So from the A tag, if I go a little bit top, see, here is a div tag called data ID. So what is this div tag? See, for the A tag, this div is there. And then for this div tag, data ID. That means what? Means this is a super parent. That is actually what? A grandparent. So I'm taking this. So grandparent to go over there. So two options. One, I can give div of A. Okay, that is div of, and then close it here. This is one option. Got it? So from the A tag, this is the parent div, this is the parent div. So I can go like this. Otherwise, we can give in a way ancestor / ancestor colon colon, then the div tag. So give the tag name @data ID. Got it? Now 40 matches still there. Okay, from there I want to go over there. Actually, what? So this is a div. Got it? We came here. Then this next div is what means is the common parent for the first 4 books. Then if we go here to here, this is the common parent for everything. Okay, so but I want till here this div only. So sorry, to this div 1 and 2, because after this div this is a second section, third section, fourth section it goes. So now I'm here. So to come over there, div of div. So that means ancestor div is there, right? So right now it's pointing to, this is pointing to here. So I need to point to this div, means before this I need to give div of. See, the data ID is here, for that the parent is div. So again I need to go here. So div of. Now I came to this section. Got it? So totally 10 matches. I want the first out of the 10 matches, I want the first match. That means what I need to do, before this open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, give 1. That matches 1. Got it? That is what here. Understood, everyone? Then from this div, first div, I want the second book. 1, 2, 3, 4. So data ID is there. So I'll go from here to that. / div of @data ID. So totally 4 matches. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to click on the second book. So I'll give second child. Okay. Then from there, I want to click on this Bhagavad Krishna Avatar link. So that matches with this A tag. Sorry, not this A tag. This A tag. So for this A tag, if you see, there is a title. Got it? There is a title. So I can give /A and then which has @title. Perfectly 1 match. Understood? This is what next video. I'll just put it in our paint also. Understood, guys? Anyone? Any questions? Anyone has any questions? Clear for everyone?
Murli, I have small question.
Yes, yes.
To get the deep, means can't we access the element using direct deep tag? Always we need to go to the grandparent and we have to access that one.
Sorry, come again.
Like our element is present in deep tag, right? So we can't access that using direct deep tag.
No, that is, we have to point it to the direct element. See, this is the A tag. It's pointing to the link. Can you see? If I come to this div tag, it's pointing everywhere. So what's happening if I'm going to click on somewhere over there, it is not sure actually what it will be going through that link, because the A tag is the one which has an href tag. Can you see? An href tag will be here. Okay, href tag is the one which will point to the page where you have to cross. Understood?
It's for link, right?
Href, yes. A tag is the one which will have an href tag where it needs to connect.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yes. I have to see.
Yeah. You guys have to practice. Then only you will get it over there. You have to practice. Okay, everyone clear? So now the other same thing we will do. We'll go to men, and then okay, we'll go for the woman, and then we'll go for kurtas and kurtis. So again here, I want you guys to actually what? Click on the second, okay? The second element, okay? how to do that. Okay, same concept what we did, I want you guys to do. Got it right? So I will forward. At least now I'm expecting something from
No,
you.
only that down bar, no, I'm not getting where, how we go that one?
Just you click on this element here, Control F. You will get it.
Control F. Okay.
Control F. Okay. Now I want everyone to just click on this one. Okay. Find the property information of this. Same concept what we did. At least now I'm expecting from you guys. Okay. Right?
Hey, Murali, quick question.
Yes. Yes, Ari.
So if you, I mean, in the same, the Xpath thing, like in the title,
Yeah.
if you take anything from the div, right, like just before that, like div at the rate, just the div, you're getting like 10 matches, right? So
Correct.
out of which, like when we know that there are 10 matches, but we just need the second one, right? Can we say like title is equals to and then give the property name? Will it give?
So sorry, come again.
Now here, like when if I just take the div / div at the rate data ID, those things
Yes.
to the end, and then at the rate title is equals to I'll give the power. So will it give like our contains? I can do the contains, right?
Correct. You can give contains also, but you should not give the book name.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's the we want to click on second one on.
Correct. Because today it will be actually what for us the book name will be same. Tomorrow it might change. That's why that will not work.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions for anyone, guys? Okay. So now I want everyone to actually what go here and then find the XPath of this. Okay. Good. 5 minutes. Again, we will again connect by 9:15. Okay. Cool, guys. So make sure everyone try it, because why means just now we did based on this. If you try it, at least you will be understanding it easily. But if you try it later, it will be tough for you. That's why I'm asking you to try now itself. The same information, try it now itself. Okay. At least I want you to go to the HTML and then understand it, because if you're not able to do that, then it'll be so tough later on doing that. Okay. Okay. We will again connect by 9:15. Hello. Hey guys. So we'll continue the session. So are you guys are finding it? At least you're able to just come to 50% of the level. Okay, cool. So now next we'll go for make my trip. Did we go to makemytrip.com?
Murli?
Sorry, yeah.
Murli?
Sorry, yes. Now you guys can hear me? Now you guys can hear me, right?
Your voice is breaking, Murli.
Okay, just give me a minute. Hopefully now it will be fine, I hope so. Now it's clear, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Can you show that XPath which you are?
The same XPath which I was using before only. That's only I have copy pasted there. Which we found before, right? That matches for all the pages there to find the element.
No, you.
For the kurtis only, right? You are talking.
No, you gave that assignment, no?
Correct.
Yes.
The same XPath will work for the kurtis also. So before I gave you, right, the same XPath will work for the kurtis also. Okay, right? Okay, guys. So now we'll continue. So here now we have flights. So I am Delhi to Bangalore. So I'm gonna go. So I'll go for a search. Okay, so I came here. So here, as usual, I want to find the second book. So usually in real-time situation, always we will go like this only. We don't go by a name of the flight or name of the product and then we will do the action. Always we will click on the first or the second element. Because why means for us intention is to verify whether the element is workable or not. So we can take any element and then we can work on it. Okay. So I'm going to click on the second book. Okay. So now for that, inspect book now. Okay, so this thing, it's coming button over there. Then if I just mouse over, scroll over there. So here, this is the div tag. Then this is the second div tag. So here, if you see, class fi list one way is there. So I hope so. This will be their perfect match. So // div tag @class is equal to list one way. So totally 5 is there. So what are that 5 we will see? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sorry, totally 11 matches. Okay, as by scrolling, it increases. So now it's 11. If I scroll still more, you can see it will be increasing. Now it will be more than that, 90. So now I want to get the second element. That means what? Open the parenthesis. Okay, can anyone tell me? I want to get the second search. So how to get the second? Can anyone tell me what I need to do? Get the second element. Can anyone tell me what I need to do?
You should have parenthesis open.
You are for yeah, parent.
Yeah, parenthesis and then in square brackets you should have to.
Super.
div.
That's it. Got it right? Super. Then this is the second tip. In that I want the book now. So directly here I can come here. There is a button. So the button is what having actually what? The book now button. Okay. So // button. So perfectly one match. This is enough for me. It's easy. Clear, right? This is for the Flipkart. This is for the Make My Trip. Okay. So now we will go for the hotels. Now we will find the second hotel. Goa, India. Search something.
Hey Murli, we lost you again.
Oh, is it? Why I'm getting that connection? Okay, so what we are doing means nothing. I'm going to go to the hotels here, and then after that, I'm going to find the second hotel here. So you guys understood how to get the flight level. The second flight book now we got. Okay, now for the hotels we are gonna go. Okay, sorry. Okay, hope so now you guys can hear. So with this, we'll stop. Only one information on I want to show you this one. So is that for everyone is clear now? Is everyone clear now? For everyone? Are you guys able to hear me? Okay, so now the thing is we have this informations. Okay, so here also I want to click on the second hotel. Okay, so we'll see how to get it. So I'll go to the first hotel right now. Then based on that, so this is the div tag, the div. Good. Okay, so this is the div holding each and every informations over here. Okay, so directly we have listing row outer // div class actor listing row outer. We got it totally 20. So in that I want actually what the second one. So as usual, we know open, close it, second. Then after that actually what? Here I want to actually what? This is the first one, this is the second one. So here I want to go for my information. So this is the last div. So pricing details top. Then here we have this div. So this is a INR 2487 I want. Okay, so directly we have @ID hotel shown price. Okay, // p @ID is equal to hotel shown price. Directly we got it. Got it? So most of the things will be like this only. Understood, please? So everyone understood why we are going actually what always for this first product or second product means real-time situations always we will go like this one. Any questions for anyone? Anyone has any questions, guys? Can you guys ping me as yes if you have understood so far? Is everyone clear so far? Ari and then Prajna, everyone is clear? Good. Okay. So with this, I'll stop with the XPath here. Okay. So next week we will start with the CSS selector. So the same level XPath CSS selector is also we have to do. Okay. So it's also a good topic to learn over there. But XPath, I want you guys to be perfect. CSS selector, if you guys know, it will be good for you. Okay. In interview process level, sometimes actually what the selection happens based on CSS selector also. Okay, so XPath is very important. CSS selector also is good. It's so easy to learn. If you know XPath, CSS selector is easy. Okay, so I just want everyone to practice XPath this week. Next week again we will come to the CSS selector. Then will be starting with our Selenium WebDriver next week. Okay, good. Okay, guys. With this I'll stop for today. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.